Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be talking about the various free online certificated courses offered by the various leading university from like Stanford and various leading organizations. So you can find the list of the courses in the description box. To know more about the courses and what a specific thing will be covered in this courses in the brief. Most of the courses do offers badge and also CME or other kind of educational credits. So this is a very good platform for everyone. For everyone to learn and gain more knowledge on a specific topic of interest, a specific topic. So these courses are offered on Canvas Learning Network. So this platform is used by various leading university, or you can also offer your course by clicking on offer a course and completing the various the essential steps and uploading your course and encrypting your modules. Now coming to the specific course, in one of the previous video I have talked about how to register for this network. So you can check out this. So please check out that video to know more about the registration step for a learner account. Now coming to the enrollment part of this course and the modules of a specific course and how to generate your certificate and learner PDF transcript, your transcript of various of the course. For example, here I am interested in enrolling for this statistic for everyone course by the offered by the University of Sutherland. To enroll for this course, please click on the course, and it will transition to the course enrollment page. As you can see, the name of course and the type of course, that is self-pledged, mostly self-pledged course, and the status of course and the commitment hours required for this course, and what you will get at the end of this course, that is a credential. Most of the course offers badge or CME or other kind of educational credit. Scroll down to know more about the course and the objective of course and the course instructor and their affiliation. Enroll for this course, please click on enroll, and then you have to click on enroll in course, and you have enrolled for this course. If you want to enroll for other courses, then you can return to the catalog, or you want to continue your learning, then click on go to your dashboard. It will transition to the learner dashboard. As you can see here, the courses you have enrolled and the clicking on a specific tab, you can come to know that the number of courses you have in the progress, you have enrolled and in the progress, and the number of courses you have completed and not completed. This progress bar represents the number or the percentile of courses you have completed. Start with learning, please click on begin with course, and here you are. Here you can see the description about this specific course, and you can click go to the specific modules by clicking on in specific modules or clicking on the module section. And here you are on the specific module, so you can see here the specification and the description for this course. To access a specific modules, please click on that specific module, like Introduction to SSP. introduction to SPS, and here you can see the exercise, the uh, the video tutorials, and various things. Once you have completed the learning, then click on next to access the next session of these modules. Many types you will see here or below the page, the completed status bar, or you have to click as a mark as done or as mark as completed. Once you have completed the specific topic or a specific module, you can see here the completed tick mark. Here is the best part. You can see the various Excel file or various resources or learning materials have been provided for this specific course. In most of the courses you will find also you will find the various external links for various resources tools. So this is a very great learning platform. Once you have completed the course, to download you can download the certificate from there at the end, and to generate your learning transcript, go to the dashboard, then click on PDF transcript, and here you can see your name and the number of courses enrolled and credit you have earned. You can download this transcript as a PDF format. If you have find this video informative, so please give a thumbs up, and if you have any query, any thing to share like your learning experience and anything, so please comment down in below, and also do comment on what topic you want such kind of video tutorials. And I do recommend you to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates, and also do follow our various social media us on various social media platforms, and I do recommend you to connect with us on the LinkedIn group and LinkedIn page, so you will get a up to date information on various opportunity from workshop, training program, fellowship, and various things. And do check out the other videos on this channel. This is a very new YouTube channel, so support this initiative by sharing our content to others, so other will also get benefited. And thank you for being a part of this initiative. Please keep coming back to our channel and keep learning. Stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.